Demolition group. Execute bomb plants. Demolition group. Total bomb plants required 5.
We never know what resources we'll have available in the field, so it's important to be able to fight with a variety of weapons, not just the ones you're familiar with.
She's reading it. I don't know. She sounds like racist. So, Demolition is my jam. I like Demolition. We notice.
Let's roll.
Obviously, I'm gonna try to get on T side to make this shit happen because, duh. Where you plant the bomb. Hopefully, T team isn't full because that'll be fucking annoying. And I'll have to disconnect or reconnect till I find a server with T team. Or if it's halfway through and I get to flip. I need 5 bomb plants. T team is not full. Is anybody else on a plant mission like right now? Or what's up?
Used. Counter-terrorists win. We must move!
Yeah? You doing it?
Are you kidding me? This is so gay.
Testing the microphone. Everything's good. This is pretty shitty though. I'm really doubting this is gonna go fun.
Counter-terrorists win.
Really just... I need the bomb, thank you.
Let's go, let's go! I'm planting the bomb. Bomb has been planted.
Cool. One more.
Bomb has been defused.
Wow.
Counter-terrorists win.
He's AFK, I'm not trying to be like a dick, you know.
Go, go, go!
God dang.
I'm planting.
Everybody's got such bad ping to the server.
Bomb has been
The
planted.
server sucks.
Terrorists win.
No, it's West Coast versus East Coast, homie. Come on now. I just don't live by you.
Let's go.
Thank you for telling me. It's a new mic. I didn't know if I had it set.
I thought we could.
Terrorists win. I'm planting the bomb.
Doesn't count if I plant it after the clock, does it?
Bomb has been planted.
Oh, it does! Nice. The guy in front of the boat, is that the guy you were thinking about? Got that new mic love, that new mic love. It's that new mic love, and everybody wants a piece of it. Except for Monday, which will never get. Oh shit. Tell me when I get out. Y'all know me. Oh! What I'm doing live. Blended bomb.
Let's call my brothers.
Trying to get to you and that monkey. What you going to do in my place?
Counter-terrorists win. Now is the time.
Hey, can I get that plant real quick, man? Because I need it for a mission? I'd be appreciative. Please?
I'm planting. Bomb has been planted.
Upstairs now.
Terrorists win. Let's call my brothers. Counter-terrorists win. it, move it. Let's go. Good one.
In your taco.
Ranks.
LEM.
Let's go.
Nice. I'm MGE. I'm smurfing. I just woke up.
You're on it.
Bomb's down over here. There's another one in the garage.
Counter-terrorists win.
Yo, I didn't go on Spring before, like Spring.
What'd you say?
Did you ever get Spring? Spring Master First Class?
No. Most of my friends have it. I'm still below it. I played too much agency and weird shit. I've only been LEM for like 2 months.
Oh. Lol.
And I won 10 and 1, 2, and 3. Oh, that's the last one.
Counter-terrorists win.
Just put the butterfly on both sides. I don't know, it just seems weird to use the butterfly
Let's roll.
on
It's better on T. It's just better on T side.
yeah, that's why I keep it. Yeah.
Nice kill. Counter-terrorists win.
Didn't look good on T side, I'm not gonna lie, but we turn it around.
Grab your gear, let's go.
Rob, if you want rank up, you should play on Vertigo because a lot of people like D rank on that map. A lot of people.
Nice shot. Counter-terrorists win.
Good ass.
Good game, guys.
We did it.
Started from the bottom, now we're here.